Right, we got the issue with this Makita. Well, it's a copy of Makita battery. It will not work, so I'm gonna put a new genuine battery in. As you can see, with a genuine battery it does work. So also I'm gonna try to put it on charge. Oop. No, it's not registering any charge. So, plan A, the 4 screws, these 4 holes. I'm going to take it apart and see what the issue is. Right, after taking the screws out, gently press up the top. Check all the contacts. Aha! Ahahaha! There is a culprit. Right. That soldered contact broke off. Doesn't have much solder on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up more solder on it. That will be easy fix. I hope it's only that. Right, I'm gonna get my equipment all ready. Right, a couple of minutes later, I got my soldering stuff ready. I'm gonna put some flux on both ends. Here's my little soldering iron. I'm gonna clean up the end for it. I'm gonna melt flux. Alright, load up more solder. More. Right, now I will need an extra hand. Put that against, and then I will solder it on. So I'm going to stop filming for a moment. Right, that is soldered on now. You can see the contact is there. So let's try. I'll just put this back on. The battery still might have some charge on it. So if I right, pardon for that. Right, I just slid that battery. It's still not. I'm still gonna put fixing screws in. There you go. Has got a little bit of charge. The fixing screws are on. I think that's repaired. Let me try in the charger. Yep, it's all good. So if it doesn't work, don't throw it away. 10 minutes, bit of investigation, bit of soldering, job done. All the best.